Did you know clients who opt into wellness plans spend up to 57% or $300 more per year than clients who aren't enrolled in one? Before we get started, what is a wellness plan? A wellness plan is a subscription-based package designed to encourage recurring appointments, creating proactive and preventative care for pet owners. The ezyVet Wellness module is a great way for your practice to increase recurring revenue, free up administration time, reduce the overall cost of pet care, all whilst increasing client compliance and retention. Let's go through the 4 key benefits that your practice gets when introducing wellness plans. The key benefit for veterinary practices when introducing wellness plans is improved cash flow. Wellness plans operate in weekly, monthly, or annual payment cycles. Wellness plans also maximize the foot traffic through your practice, which encourages pet owners to spend more. Free up time with easy-to-follow administration and powerful automation. Invoices are automatically billed based on the client's preferred billing date. Once the client is enrolled into a wellness plan, the benefits consumption is automatically tracked within the patient record. Wellness plans can be configured to automatically renew once the existing plan expires, meaning no more manual billing procedures, simply set and forget. Wellness plans create a proactive approach to preventative pet care. Diseases and illnesses can be detected and prevented much earlier if pets frequent the vets more often. This ultimately lowers the treatment cost and reduces those nasty expensive surprises for pet owners, all whilst improving the patient's quality of life. Wellness plans educate the pet owners on the well-being of their pets, improving client compliance and retention. Guided conversations about upcoming veterinary care increases client compliance. With regular vet visits, you'll build a strong relationship with clients, providing peace of mind and driving client retention. So what are you waiting for? Get started on rewarding those loyal customers for being great pet parents, keeping them coming back time and time again. Get in touch to find out more about how wellness plans can benefit your practice. In addition to the technical setup, we can also help you design the perfect wellness plan.